Hi, I'm Brian from Outside Van, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of your Webasto Dual Top EVO 6 manual control panel. The Dual Top EVO 6 heater was designed as an integrated heating system to heat your cabin and provide hot water in your van. When looking at the manual control panel, you'll see two circular knobs that allow you to control all your settings. On the left is your mode selector knob, where you select between summer operation, winter operation, frost protection, and draining the boiler. The first mode is summer mode, where the heater is used only to provide hot drinking water. The water is heated up and kept at either 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Next is winter mode, where you can use heat without hot water production. The desired internal cabin temperature can be adjusted from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit with the knob on the right. You can also switch to cabin heat with hot water production. This mode has all the same internal cabin heating settings with the addition of your water heating up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you have the frost protection mode. This mode is a safety feature for the heater unit only and doesn't prevent the water circuits inside and outside from freezing. Make sure that your boiler is filled before activating. Frost protection mode allows you to park your van for a short time, from a few hours to a maximum of a full day, without worry of frost or frost damage. Once selected, the unit will monitor the temperature in the boiler. Once the temperature drops below 42.8 degrees Fahrenheit, the heating process will start and heat the van. Please note that this mode uses diesel and power, so ensure that you have enough supply of each. During winter storage or when parking your van for a long period of time, make sure you fully winterize your water system. This can be seen in our winterization video. For extended parking periods, you should drain your boiler. The boiler can be drained simply and directly through the control panel. Point the left-hand dial to the drain boiler icon for a minimum of 5 seconds. The dial will flash during the draining process. The electric safety valve will automatically close after 90 minutes. At any time, you can stop the draining process by turning the dial again for a minimum of 5 seconds. Always drain the boiler when there's risk of freezing temperatures or if storing the vehicle for a long period of time. When not using your system, switch the knob to off. The fan can continue to run after turning off in order to cool down the heater. After this, the green light will turn off. If you have any questions about the procedures covered in this video, please reach out to our service and warranty department at service@outsidevan.com. See you on the outside.